What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I just picked up this canoe for 50 bucks. She needs a little bit of work, but that's what we'll be doing in this video. We're going to start off by spraying it and cleaning it out. It's fiberglass and aluminum, so hope you guys enjoy. Now we're just gonna let the degreaser sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Come back, give it a scrub, and spray it off. Yeah, just pick it up. If it's too heavy, you just pick it up from the slip. It's real light. Get a good grip. Aww. We just had BBG help me move the canoe. That's a keeper right there, y'all. All right, y'all, we got it nice and cleaned up. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna grab a towel, dry out some of the extra water. Then I'm gonna take the leaf blower, dry it, wait about 20 minutes, have some dinner, and then we're gonna start painting the inside of it. All right, everyone, this is the canoe all cleaned up. It's dry and ready to paint. The color I decided is baby blue for the inside. So what my girlfriend was pointing out in this clip, that there was actually a little bit of water leaking from inside the seat. So just for the paint to dry, I just put a little bit of gasket maker and put it in that little small pinhole there. All right, guys, so it's been a few days. We went ahead and put another couple of layers of this paint on here. I got some oil-based polyurethane and some new hardware for this guy right here. We cut out some pieces of wood. We fixed a little bit of fiberglass here that was broken, patched up the bottom. So now we're just gonna put the polyurethane down and work on this a little bit. Alright y'all, I know it didn't look a lot from up there, but we got those bolts in there and that actually adds a lot of structural integrity to the boat. There's that side. There's that side. Alright guys, we got the first coat of the polyurethane on the boat. You can see how glossy it is. We're going to go ahead and let that dry before we put on a second coat. Alright y'all, so it is the next day. The first layer of polyurethane went on pretty decent. For some reason bugs love that shit and they always fly into it. It's looking pretty glossy. We're going to go ahead and throw that second coat on there now. And if you guys have made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys click subscribe, hit that like button, and stay tuned on the channel because there's a lot of other great videos coming real soon. Thank you. Alright guys, second coat of polyurethane. We're going to go ahead and wait 2 hours recommended by the directions on the paint can, and then we're going to come in for a third and probably final coat. Alright guys, just got back from filming another video for the channel, and this is coat number 2. We're about to put the third and final coat on the boat right now, so let's get right into it. You guys can't tell because it was time-lapse, but actually the can of polyurethane fell into the top of the canoe in this clip, so that's why I was spending a lot of extra time in that corner right there. Alright y'all, the third and final coat of polyurethane is on the canoe. Looking pretty glossy. We're going to come back in a couple of hours and see how it sets up. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. You guys might have learned something. Make sure you stay tuned on the channel because there is a lot of work that still needs to be done on this canoe. And I'll see you guys in the next part. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. Peace.